Okay, I'm making 3 ingredient brownies. You take a brownie mix and you pour it in. And then take a can of pie filling. This is cherry pie filling right here. And then we have our oil. This recipe is in the description below. Oh, how did I manage to do that? I just had the exact perfect amount left. Wow. Now, I thought I wasn't gonna have enough. If I didn't have enough, I would have just put a little bit of butter or margarine in there and melted it, and that would be my oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir this together.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
Now I'm going to take my pan. Can't remember, did I say this recipe's in the description below? It is. Going to get all of my brownie mix in there, just like so. And then I'm going to throw this in the oven and bake it. Okay, here we go. Right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one I will have my test. Okay, so 3 ingredient cherry brownies.
Cherry brownies.
Yes.
Unexpected twist.
An unexpected twist. Listen to you.
Mmm.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna try a bite.
That's not what I was expecting. That's really good.
Yum.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious. Brownie mix cookies. Got my brownie mix here. Then my flour. My eggs, oil, keep my oil in a little squirt bottle so it's easier. Then my chocolate chips. I use the mini chocolate chips, that way every bite gets chocolate chips, but I don't need to use so many. Then I'm just going to give this a stir. Going to take our scoop to make them even. All right, and then we're going to bake. All right, there we are. Now I've let them cool about 5 minutes. Oh, yum. These are really nice and soft cookies. I like all cookies. I just like sweets in general. Okay, these are double chocolate brownie cookies.
Ooh, chocolatey.
It's
Yummy.
like eating a corner and a middle all together for every single one. That's what I determined.
Mmm.
Pretty darn tootin' good, even if I do say so myself.
Mm-hmm. That's really good. Did you say brownie cookies?
Double chocolate brownie cookies.
Yum.
5
really
ingredients,
good.
just
Yum.
5.
That's amazing. It's all soft and squishy in the middle and crunchy on the outside.
Brownies. Just take a regular brownie mix. Just bake it according to the directions on the back of the box. Yeah, all of my utensils and everything are dirty because I'm doing several cooking videos. We have a party tonight. Whenever there's a party, I try to make as many desserts as I can so that we don't have to eat all of them. Got my oil and my eggs. Now, if you want a really good homemade brownie, you do not have to use the mix. My fudge brownies that I got in the 10th grade in 1987, I think. I have used that recipe for years. The fudge brownies in there are the absolute best brownies ever. I have used that recipe for what? 35, 6, 7, 8 years now, 38 years. Absolutely love it. Now you can use the mixer if you want, or something like this. I don't dry out the mixer. Got my oil here that's expired, so I'm going to get this one used up. Usually I use a refillable one, but my mom had that one that she didn't use up, so I'm finishing it for her. And there we go. Okay, we're going to throw this in the oven and bake it. For the topping, I'm going to take my chocolate chips and my peanut butter. And butter, margarine, and I'm going to melt those together. All right, so now I'm going to spread this as my frosting, oops, on my brownies. Just like so. Oh, yum. Okay, these are gonna be so delicious. Now, the trick to not tearing your brownies is to keep your spoon on your frosting and just move the frosting so then you don't rip your brownies like I just did there. Yum! Oh, yum. Okay, we're gonna let these cool, then we're gonna cut them. There we go. All right. Mike does not do peanut butter. So I'm going to take a bite. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Yum, yum, yum.